Okay, so in this session, we're going to go through the beekeeping mock, which is part one. I'm going to scroll down to see where I can find it. And it's just here in Moodle. It's a bit hard to find, but it's in the word processing part of Moodle. And it's beekeeping mock exam. And this is the text. It automatically comes up down below. And file, open. Okay, and I have to hit enable editing. The first thing it asks me to do is to center the heading, which I will do by highlighting and going to center. Okay, the second thing it asks me to do is to apply a 2 centimeter left indentation to the other three headings. So I'm going to highlight and I'm going to hold down control and I'm going to press uses of honey and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to highlight uses of beeswax. I'm going up to my paragraph dialog box and I'm going to go to indentation and I'm going to put 2 centimeters and go OK, and you will see it moves over 2 centimeters. I'm going to underline these headings. I already have them highlighted, so I go up to my underline and I underline them. The next thing is to change the bulleted list to a numbered list. So I scroll down, I highlight the list, I go up to the bullets and I go to the numbers and I go number. Okay, and I can tick that off. The next is to apply an entire 1.5 line spacing to the entire document. So I'm going to hit Control A to select everything. And then I'm going up to this section and it's 1.5 and click. Okay. The next thing, it says to fully justify the document apart from the headings. So I'm going to use my control key again. So I'm going to highlight, hold down control, scroll down, highlight, keep hold of control, scroll down. Okay, and I'm going to justify and scroll back up. And the next thing I'm going to do is replace all instances of the word production with the word manufacture. So I go to replace, type in production, and type in manufacture, and hit replace all. It's made 3 replacements. I go OK and close. Okay. The next thing it asks me to do is correct spelling mistakes. So I go to review, spelling and grammar. Cynical has I'm presuming that's correct. I'm consuming wild wages for bees. But demand for, okay, so I know that's correct. So change. Goods was imported from, I have no idea, so I'm going to ignore and ignore. Beeswax continues, change. The kind of hives depicted in reliefs are, the kind of hives depicted in reliefs is, the kinds of hives depicted in reliefs are, I'm going to ignore, I think that's okay, and go okay. All right, then I'm going to insert my name in the footer, so I'm going to insert, and I'm going to go to footer, and I'm just going to go blank. I'm going to type in my name, and then I'm going to close it by hitting the X, and then I'm going to save the document, file, save as. I'm going to save it onto the desktop, so hit the desktop, and I'm going to save it as beekeeping amended Suzanne Yarker, and save. And that's 20% of the exam complete.